Phase C, application architecture, designs the software side. Enterprise architecture is the big picture plan. The ADM is TOGAF's recipe. Phase C picks the apps a business needs, like a coffee shop's online ordering. Before moving on, please like, follow, and share to help the channel and other people grow. This is the ADM cycle, 8 phases turning clockwise. The preliminary phase, outside the ring, is the one-time setup done first. Phase C follows Phase B, how the business runs, and comes before Phase D, the computers and cloud. Phase C splits in two: data architecture, the information you keep, and application architecture, the programs that use it. This is our subject. Application architecture names the major systems a business needs and how they connect, logically, not by brand. An application building block is a reusable software part, like a Lego brick. Baseline is today's software, target is the goal, and gap is the difference between them. Phase C takes 3 inputs: the architecture vision from Phase A, the business architecture from Phase B, and your running list of needs. It produces the target application architecture, a gap list showing what's missing, candidate roadmap pieces, and an updated architecture definition document. Phase C uses 2 key tools. An application communication diagram links your apps, ordering, customer list, payment handler, with labeled arrows showing what flows between them, like order details. The application/function matrix lists business jobs against apps. A tick means that app handles it, while no tick marks a gap to close. Let's walk a coffee shop through Phase C. Today it runs on a paper notebook and 1 shared phone. The vision: take orders online within a year. The target: 4 blocks, an ordering app, customer list, payment handler, and kitchen screen, linked by order and customer details. None exist yet, so each is a gap. Build the ordering app first, then payment. Phase C defines the applications a business needs and how they connect, producing target designs, gaps, and roadmaps, the building blocks that feed Phase D and requirements management. Vision, business, application, gap, roadmap. Still unclear about anything? Drop a question or comment below. Thanks.